Hey guys, hey guys, how are we all doing today? You guys, long awaited Nona Honk music video is finally out. Nona has finally given us new music. You guys, you don't know how much I've been waiting for this. Anyways, without further ado, let's just get into it because I am so curious, guys. This thing has been out for like 20 something hours. I don't know why I don't always get notifications for their music releases. Like, it pisses me off. But in the meantime, let's just get into the video. Nona. Ooh, school bus. Ooh, hey,
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me.
my favorite Esther. Hi.
Get on the Honk.
Ooh.
Get on the Honk. Get on the Honk.
Wait, that was so cool.
Let's go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk, and we make it. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping that bass, and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on the license plate. Kaka I bet. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Hey, this visual shots are so good looking. She looks like Sophia from Tata right now.
Get on the Honk.
I mean, she's always been cool. I love this style of music they are like leaning into now, guys. I think they're finally finding their sound. It's like it's so beautiful. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, we didn't do that. Anyways, guys, that was so much fun. Oh my god, guys, this one is hanging on the promises of God right now with me. That was so much fun. Oh god, I can't believe I had that much fun. This is so beautiful, and I really, really like love the style of music they're like leaning into now. It suits them so much. I think of Nona, and I would think of this type of music, and I would think of like, oh, the sexy girl concepts, the baddie girl crush. Yep, peace, clock it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Do you know that? Do you? I'm going to see you guys in my next video.